Coinbase's Bitcoin QR code functionality provides a quick and secure method for sending and receiving BTC. As of October 2025, Coinbase has enhanced its QR code scanning features within its mobile app for iOS and Android with security protocols like biometric authentication and optional two-factor authentication tied directly to QR transactions. The latest app version includes Secure Scan Mode, which uses AI to verify QR codes against known scam patterns in real time, reducing phishing risks. This method allows users to easily populate recipient wallet addresses without manual entry, reducing errors and securing transactions. To receive BTC, navigate to your BTC wallet in the Coinbase app, tap Receive, and a QR code will appear on your screen, which you can share. To send BTC, select Send, choose BTC, and scan the recipient's QR code using your device's camera. The app will verify the address, prompting you to confirm the amount and network fee. For enhanced security, Coinbase mandates dynamic, time-limited codes for transactions over $10,000. Always verify the QR code's source and cross-verify addresses manually for transactions over $500 to avoid scams. Transactions are processed on the Bitcoin network, with Coinbase handling the broadcast and fee calculation in real time. Future trends include NFC integration and DeFi swaps directly within the Coinbase wallet.